Hey team. So, one of the things I wanted to talk about today is the concept of fear because, as entrepreneurs, we always sort of try to push back fear and let it sit on the sidelines. When actually what we should be doing is going balls deep and facing that fear, sitting with it, and allowing ourselves to truly experience what that fear is telling us. Like, there's multiple occasions where you want to just push it to the side, you want to overcome it in one way or another, and going for results, going for things where what is more helpful is actually sitting with it, embracing it, feeling it, talking to it, and understanding and allowing your body to truly sense what it is that is causing that fear, and asking yourself, like, what do you actually fear? So, what do you actually fear is what's going to bring those emotions to surface. And once you get that through the door, then you have answers, right? And the mechanics of it, the sort of actions you have to take, then all become secondary because you've actually spent some time to understand the true meaning of that. And to top that off, sit with it for a little while, listen to the signs, right? And once you've heard all those signs, you're able to then turn those into like actionable procedures that you can go about. And one of the other things that's coming to light as I've been sort of meditating on this concept is the ability to be compensated is derived essentially from you being able to deliver, right? And results show that you are good at that delivery side of things. But when you're able to truly communicate your message, that is what gets dream clients to come to you, right? That level of communication and the articulation of what you do brings compensation. When you prove your competence day in, day out, that is the result that essentially keeps your clients coming back, keeps your clients staying with you because they trust that you are competent in what you do. But being able to clearly articulate and communicate what it is you do in your messaging, because a lot of people that I talk to day in, day out, entrepreneurs that I mentor, they're geniuses at what they do. And the majority of my job is like to clear out those communication channels and allow for you to clearly communicate what it is you do, because communication brings compensation, and proof of competence is what makes the clients stay. So there's some messages in this video today that have been effective as I sort of allow myself to ponder into that. And one of those things is like sitting in with your fear, allowing it to truly sit so you can understand what it is you're doing and where you're at. And secondly is being able to communicate and articulate what it is you do, because your competence relies on that. And like, competence is what allows for clients to stay, but communication is what brings them in.